Now in this session we are going to see the slicing and the indexing. We have already worked on this dataset goals where we have on a season basis number of goal is scored by Lionel Messi. Okay. Now if I ask you find the score in the first season, how can you find that? Means in the first season score is 17. I want to ask you, can you give me the score of the first season? How can you do this? Simply do goals at the 0 index, because the first season is at the 0 index, the second season is the first index. If you are not understanding, you can see this picture. It is a series 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. The positive index start from 0 and the negative index start from -1 from the last of the series. I hope this picture help you to understand how it works. Okay, if I want to ask you find the score in the first season, you simply do goals 0. You will find 17. You can see here in the first season score is 17. Now if I want to ask you in the second season, you simply do put 1. You will see in the second season it is 16. Okay, but if I ask you in the last season, you are not going to count from here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is very hectic to do these things. So for that we are going to see negative indexing. We have already seen here the negative indexing start from the last, that is -1. If I want to know find the score in the last second season, how can you find that? Goals last season is -1. It is last season, because in the last, how can you find the last element of a series with the help of -1 index? But my question is find the score in the last second season. It means it means 31. So you simply do -2. Now we see in the last second season goal is 31. In the last second season the goal is 31. Here it is. Okay, I hope you understand the indexing part. Now the next we are going to see the slicing. If I want to ask you, can you give me the sum of all the score of the first 5 season? Can you give me the sum of all the score of these 5 season? How can you find this? With the help of slicing we are going to do this. Slicing, we simply do goals first 5 season, means start from 0 index and till 5 index. You will see these are the information in the first 5 season. You can match from here as well. 17 16 38 47 53. 17 16 38 47 53. I hope you understand. Now I want to know the sum of all the score. You simply do sum method. Okay, it shows 171. It means in the first 5 season Lionel Messi scored 171 goal. But I want to ask you the another question. Can you give me the sum of all the score from the last 5 season? How can you do this? This is very tricky. I hope you understand. Last 5 season I have already explained you for slicing. I will help you to understand this with the help of this picture. I hope you know how to import a picture in a Jupyter notebook. You shall play insert from here. Now you will see in how slicing work. If I want to know from the 6th index to the 9th index, we simply put this from 6 colon 10. If I want to find the 0th index from to the 4th index, you can do with the help of positive indexing, as well as you can also do with the help of negative indexing. Okay, let's suppose I have asked you a question, sum of all the score in the last 5 season. You simply do -5 colon, means from the -5, from the -5 it is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, from -5 till the last. If you are do this, you will see from the -5 till last, that is 54, 45, 51, 31, 38. 54, 45, 51, 31, 38. You will see these are the score in the last 5 season. If I do the sum, you will get the total number of score. That is, in the last 5 season, Lionel Messi has scored 219 goals. Okay. Now, if I want to ask you one different question, if I want to ask you, can you give me the sum of all the score of the season 1st, 4th, 5th and the last? This is very hectic when you don't have a knowledge of fancy indexing. So fancy indexing help in many ways. So if I want to do this, if I want to know the sum of all the score in the 1st season, in the 4th season, 5th season and the last season, you simply do 1st season means 0 index, 4th season means index 3, 5th season means index 4 and the last season means index -1. Okay, you simply put this goals square bracket. Now you will see in the 1st season score is 17, in the 4th season 47. You can match from here as well. In the 4th season it is 47. Okay, in the last season you will see in the last season it is 38. You simply do, you want to sum, do a method sum, it shows 162. So these are the concepts that you are going to apply while doing analysis part. Okay, now I will help you to understand one more important concept. Let's suppose if I want to know, here you see I've put here a custom index column is equal to season. Right now we are finding our element with the help of Pandas default index, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, but I have also created my custom index. Can I fetch the element from with the help of my custom index? The answer is yes, you can find. I will show you with the help of this example. GOALS, goals. If I want to know in the season 14 to 15 how many score, we simply do goals on semicolon 58 in the season 14 to 15. You can match here in the season 14 to 15, the goal is 58. So you can find with the help of your own custom index as well, and as well as with the help of Pandas by default indexing. I hope you understand the indexing, the slicing and the fancy indexing. Okay.